So Cartesian product of the two sets. Okay, so sets already you have learned: union, intersection, and the different operations. So if whenever you are taking here, this is a, when you are taking this as a, how, what do you call this one? This one as an ordered pair. Normally till now we have learned this one as a, whatever it is shown to you, that is till now we have learned as a coordinates, in coordinate geometry, coordinates. But in case of the sets, whenever you are taking this one as a one ordered pair, pair is nothing but two numbers. So when you are having the two things are, means two numbers are elements. First element, the second elements are enclosed in a brackets and separated by comma is called as a ordered pair. And first element, second element, if you are interchanging here, then this becomes the first element and this becomes the second element. A becomes the second element in this. So the order in which the entries are written in an order very specific. Means in that way only we have to write here. So that means A comma B is never equal to B comma E. Suppose A equal to 4 is taken and B equal to -3 is taken. And in the coordinate geometry, whenever you are plotting that point, you are going to get 4 comma -3 in the fourth quadrant. This fourth quadrant में आ जाए. Suppose -3 comma 4 if you are taken, that you are going to get in the second quadrant. -3 comma 4. So second quadrant में. So ये दोनों equal नहीं. Means first coordinates are different here. So ordered pair is nothing but what? A pair of entries grouped in a particular order, which are separated by comma and enclosed with the brackets is called as a ordered pair. So if two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding first elements, second elements are equal. If two corresponding ordered pairs, suppose if you are taking here, if two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding first elements and second elements are equal. That means, suppose if A comma B is equals to 1 comma 4 is stored, A comma B equal to 1 comma 4. A equal to 1 होगा, B equal to 4. First element first को, second element second को equal. Okay, so this is ordered pair, about the ordered pair. Now here, if a set containing the elements, three elements X, containing the elements A, B and M, A, B and M are there, and Y is equals to F, C, D, H are there. F, C, D, H. So these are the two different sets we are taking. And here till now we have done two sets को union कैसे करना है, difference, intersection कैसे करना है, and difference कैसे करना है. But now the product of the two sets is the Cartesian product. We have to take the ordered pairs from the first element. One element will be taken from the first set, second element will be taken from the second set. Again, first set A, C. A will be combined with all the elements. A comma F, A comma C, A comma D, A comma H. And B also will be combined with all the elements. B comma F, B comma C, B comma D, B comma H. All these will be enclosed in a brackets, and these are entries. Whatever the entries we are taking, we take these as a elements of the set. We take this as a elements of the set. So like this, if you are taking and enclosed them in the brackets, we call this as a Cartesian product of the two sets X and Y. X and Y का Cartesian, and it will be denoted by X into Y. We cannot normally multiply the sets. Sets को multiply कर सकते बेटा? No, we cannot multiply. Normally, direct multiplication is not possible because set is containing some elements now. So that is only into whenever you are writing, it is meaning that it is a Cartesian product of the two sets. It is called Cartesian product of the two sets. So A comma F, A comma C, A comma D. Now let us contain the X. What are these symbols? Can anyone say? The symbols क्या है? इधर देखिए आप लोग. Cards. ये probability में होता है normal. These will be a probable. So probability में yes, this symbol is called as, first symbol is. Do anyone know? Club. We call this as a club. In In 10th class probability, I told you this one. This is club. ये क्या है? Diamond. ये spade, and this is heart. 4 different symbols will be there in a usually in a playing cards. So that was taken here X as a one set, and Y is taken to you numbers and the English alphabet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K, A. Means what are the numbers normally available in the cards? Cards में क्या क्या numbers available है वो. So Cartesian product of two non-empty sets X and Y can be represented in the form of tabular sets, are the point of the intersection of the perpendicular lines. So that means when you are taking here a club and number 2, club comma 2, diamond 2, heart 2, spade 2. Like that, every element can be written here, and all the means the product means not only 2, 3, 4 here. It is showing you 2, 3, 4 on, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K, A. So these are all come under the Cartesian product of the two sets, whatever it is given to X and Y. J represents Jack, Queen, and King. Okay, समझ में आया ना? So the Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets is a finite set P and Q. Is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P to Q. The Cartesian product of the two non-empty finite sets P and Q. P and Q is nothing but it is written in a set builder form like this. As a set builder form में लिखते हैं. P into Q is equals to P comma Q, where P will be taken, small p will be taken from the first set, that is P. Second, small q can be taken from the second set, that is capital Q. We write the set builder form of the Cartesian product of the two sets in this way. Cartesian product of the two sets बोले तो उसमें compulsory ordered pairs only will be there. Cartesian product of the two sets में ordered pairs. If either P is equals to empty set or Q is equals to empty set, दोनों में एक empty set हो गया, then their Cartesian product also empty set. If P and Q are infinite sets, then P cross means Cartesian product of the two sets P and Q also infinite. If number of elements in P is m, number of elements in Q is n. पहले वाला सेट में सपोज 3 एलिमेंट्स है, दूसरे वाला सेट में 2 एलिमेंट्स, देन सेकंड ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट में क्या कितना होगा? 3 into 2, 6 होगा. 6. So n represents what here? Number of elements. N represents the number of elements. So number of elements in P cross Q will be m into n. Number of elements in P cross Q will be m into n. So number of elements in a Cartesian product of the two sets. So if set is both are empty sets, Cartesian product is empty set. Both are infinite sets, that is also infinite. So multiple products. So multiple product is nothing but at a time, suppose if more than two sets are taken, A1, A2, A3, AN are the finite family of the sets. So many sets are given. Then all the numbers can be taken. These, whenever you are taking, we are not going to call it as a ordered pair. इसको ordered pair नहीं करना. Suppose 3 एलिमेंट है ब्रैकेट में, normally we used to call the ordered pair, ordered triplet. 3 होता है. So this in the, whenever you are going to, this is n tuple करते हैं. That is not at all actually needed to you here in this one. Whenever n number of elements are there in this, A1 cross A2 cross A3, suppose 3 are there here, 3 sets are taken. A comma B comma C. पहला वाला A set से, B A set से, C A set से. So multiple products will, but whenever you are taking, you are not going to get the ordered pair. Pair is nothing but 2. Only 2 होता है तो भी ordered pair बोलते हैं. Otherwise we are not. This is ordered triplet बोलते हैं. इसको ordered triplet. 3 numbers are there, so that's why we call it as ordered triplet. Okay. So now here R is nothing but here real numbers. and these will satisfy the commutative property. Commutative property, normally what is that commutative property? Do you know? Product whenever A is a set containing the elements 4 comma 2, B is the set containing the 3 comma, whether it satisfies the commutative property or not. A cross B will be equal to B cross A होगा. If A cross B is equal to B cross A होता है तो commutative property. A cross B में पहला वाला एलिमेंट फर्स्ट सेट से होगा, A से होगा. B cross A में फर्स्ट सेट एलिमेंट will be from the B में. So how these both will be equal? No, they both will not be equal. A cross B never be equal to B cross A. In case if A and B are the same sets only, A cross A होगा, A भी A cross A होगा, then equal. But if they are different sets, they are not equal. So commutative property will not satisfy when you are taking the Cartesian product of the two sets. Cartesian product of two sets ले लिए तो commutative property satisfy नहीं होगा. So man, A cross B is mostly not equal to B cross A only. So distributive property. What is distributive property? Usually plus and into will be there in case of the numbers. But in this case, into and union. A into B plus C. Normally, in case of the Cartesian product of the two sets, numbers whenever you take, A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Same way, A into नहीं है actually here. A B C are the sets now. A cross बोलना है. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C होगा. So distributive property satisfied. You can check that the distributive property will it satisfy or not by seeing this one here. A B union C means 3, 4, 5, 6 होगा. A cross B union C means A में 1 2 elements हैं. So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. ये तो A cross B unions. Like that A cross B find out and A cross C find out. दोनों का union करो and you are going to get the same, the whatever the set you are going to get. RHS and LHS both will we are going to get same. These both are same. Okay? Is it clear to you? So here, whenever you take here, distributive property is satisfied by the Cartesian distributive property. Even intersection ले लिया तो भी satisfy होगा, difference ले लिया तो भी satisfy होगा. So this is about the Cartesian product of the two sets.